Hi everyone, it's Mike here. For this particular video, I wanted to demonstrate how you can import recipes directly from the Computer Cuisine Deluxe website into your collection. And all that requires is Computer Cuisine Deluxe 6.1 or later. And you'll also want to register for free into the forum that's located at inakasoftware.com. Okay, so if you're on the main page of inakasoftware.com for this particular example, I haven't released version 6.1 yet for this particular video. I'm still in the waiting stage from Apple, but until that goes through, this might be the home page. This was likely what you'll see in the forum, and at any time up in these upper menus you can see the recipe swap button. Now for this particular example, I'm on a Mac and I'm using Safari, but you'll see the same menus if you're running Firefox or Internet Explorer for Windows, that sort of thing. So if you go to the recipe swap area, this is where the forum has various recipes that you can just download and import directly into your version of Computer Cuisine Deluxe 6.1. Once again, you need to be registered in the forum, because if you try to click to download these recipe packs and you're not registered for free on the forum, it will say you need to register first. So I'm already logged in as myself on the forum, and if I click forum, you can see that it says welcome Mike M. That's me. So I'm going to go back to the recipe swap area, and for this particular example, we're going to import and download the Healthy Chocolate Recipes 5-pack. Now, if I click back over to Computer Cuisine Deluxe 6.1, I've created sort of a dummy version of Computer Cuisine Deluxe for this particular example, where there are no recipes included at all, just so it's really easy to see when you import them in what recipes are there. So you'll see it doesn't even say 1 of 1,000. It basically is nothing because there's no recipes here whatsoever. So if we go back to the web page and we're going to click on this Healthy Chocolate Recipe 5-pack, you can see that these particular recipes were taken from Shape magazine. They could be from anywhere that you find quality recipes online, but for this recipe swap area, that's where they were found. There's photographs of each recipe that you can find from the web. You can click on them to enlarge, go to the next one, and so you can kind of see what you're going to be importing before you even go through the process, in case there's something that you don't feel particularly interested in these recipes, or you look at them and go, wow, I really want to try some of these recipes. This is just the basic summary of what each one entails, but here's where you download the recipe pack file, and it's called a tab file. It's just basically it's a text file. It's essentially a text file that's formatted in such a way that will be perfect for importing into Computer Cuisine Deluxe 6.1. So all you have to do is just click on that, and once you've clicked on that, I'm going to move this over. I have my files, when I download them, they're set to download to the desktop. So you'll now see that there's a file called healthychocolate5pack.tab, and that's on the desktop. Your file will be downloaded wherever you download files from your web browser. It could be in your download folders, in your My Documents, it could be in your personal folder, it could be anywhere you normally download files, but you're just going to want to take a note of where that file actually gets saved. So this one's on the desktop for me. It's fairly easy. So we're going to click back over to Computer Cuisine Deluxe, and it's pretty easy. In the Tools menu, you're going to see a menu that says Import Recipes from Computer Cuisine Website. That's it. So once you select this, it says please locate the tab file that you downloaded from the website, and we already know that that's on the desktop for this particular example. We're going to click OK. It's in the documents, so we're going to go no. I'm doing this the long way just so I don't do keystrokes and confuse anybody, but we're going to select OK. There's the desktop, and you can see that it's right there. There's the 5-pack. We're going to go ahead and select that, and now you can instantly see that recipe 1 of 5 is included right here. And if you scroll through the recipes, you will see that all the recipe information is already entered into the collection. You'll now see that all 5 of those recipes are included. The notes area will say that it's from Shape magazine, and I'm going to click here, and you'll see that there's the titles and such, but also more importantly, you'll see that the nutritional information has also been included, which was provided from Shape magazine. So anytime there was nutritional information, those calories, total fat content, sodium, that sort of thing, they're all actually entered in for the recipes here, and that is correct and accurate nutritional information that's found printed from the recipe from Shape magazine or from any other magazine, Food Network, It could be websites. It could be anywhere you find a Sunset Magazine, that sort of thing. It could be any recipe you see anywhere. As long as they provide that nutritional information, you can always type it manually here, but the recipe packs that you see on the website, they do have that information. So that's complete and accurate information based on what was printed. So that's really all it takes to import recipe packs and recipe information from the website. We can go ahead and just do another one if you want to take a quick peek, because this title is obviously Healthy Chocolate 5-Pack, so it's really easy to spot. But we can go back to the recipe swap area, and let's say there was another one in the list that you wanted to do. Okay, spicy pork sliders, that sounds good. We went from healthy to not so healthy for this one, but there's the complete recipe, as you can see. And there's a photo of it, and you go, wow, that looks pretty tasty. Let's import that in and maybe try that at a different time. All you have to do once again is click on pork sliders. It's now on the desktop right there, porksliders.tab. And instead of having to copy and paste or anything, we can just go back over to Computer Cuisine Deluxe, select import recipes from Computer Cuisine website. It'll say locate the file, and we're going to select the pork sliders tab right here. Once you do that, you'll see pork sliders is now in there. That's it. That's all you need. Basically, again, nutritional information is already included of what was provided from Shape Magazine for this particular recipe, because this was, again, from Shape Magazine. It could be from anywhere, but you can go ahead and download that, then just click Find All, and you'll now see that instead of having 5 recipes from the 5-pack, there's now 6. We have all the chocolate recipes that we imported before, as well as the spicy pork sliders. So it's a really easy way to go to the forum right here, and you can go ahead, and I'm going to log out for a second to give you guys an idea of what you might see here when you click on the forum. Just go to the forum and then click register. You'll have to enter your valid email address. Don't worry, you're not going to receive spam or anything. It is just to confirm your email address so that people who post here or download information here, it's not going to riddle the forum with spam and advertising. But register with the forum, and then if you have Computer Cuisine Deluxe 6.1 or later, you can go ahead and download these recipe packs and import them right in. That's it. Thank you.